Alright, so what's going on, everyone? Here working on the car, just a quick little video of a good part that you should install and kind of how to install it. So this is the old steering column. Unfortunately it failed. It's by Maximum Motorsports, and so this part right here kind of just gave out. And to install that, you have to go under the dash of the car, which I'm not going to do, but you undo one of the bolts from the steering column there. And right here is an Allen kind of key bolt. So all I did was just pull this off, put the new one on. You put it through, it's hard to see, I know, that hole right there where you can see it sits. And then to get it on, since I have these headers, it rubbed right there, so I had to unbolt this the steering column and move this forward, the K member, tighten it back. So that's what I did. So this will really help and stiffen your steering up and make it a lot better. So this is the new Maximum Motorsports 1. As you can tell right here, we didn't have that issue. It's about a 45-minute install and very well worth it. So I would definitely do that if I were you guys. It's about $300 and it helps a lot. So now that I've bolted everything back, you can see that I have that enough clearance right there to go ahead where it doesn't hit. So if you have the long tube headers like I do, the BBKs, you're gonna have to move the steering rack a little forward, and that's it. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.